How to create a demo account in ADN Broker. Remember that we must be on the official website, adnbroker.com. Click on Login and sign in with your username and password. Once you have logged in, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click on the section that says Trading Accounts. In that section, you will see two tabs. Click on the one labeled Demo Accounts. There, click on the button that says New Demo Account. In the Platform field, select MT5. In the Account type, choose ADN Demo. And in the Leverage field, choose the value you prefer. In this example, we'll select 100. Finally, choose USD as the currency and click Submit. After doing this, the credentials for your newly created demo account will be sent to your email. Remember that the password you must use to log in to MetaTrader 5 is the master password. Now, to add funds to your demo account, go back to the ADN Broker back office. In the Demo Account section, you'll find a deposit button next to your newly created account. Click it and select the amount you wish to add. Then click Submit, and a confirmation message will appear at the top right once the transaction is completed. You can verify it by checking that the balance appears in your demo account. Finally, note that by clicking the three dots on the right side of your account, you'll have the options to reset your password in case you forget it, change your account leverage, and reset your account balance to 0 to start over. And that's how you create your demo account in ADN Broker.